I am starting my talk by introducing myself. My name is Arshu Sindayo. I am working as an instructor in Samara University of Ethiopia, which is located in Afar. So why I am here because I am a member of IPR Awareness World social campaign, because this social campaign works for creating awareness about intellectual property right, especially in developing countries. This is required because all developed countries are using entirely what they have in their intellectual properties, but it is not as such well-known thing in developing countries. That's why most of developing countries didn't get their all intellectual properties legal protection. So by creating this awareness, we can achieve something in the future which will increase these intellectual property rights in developing countries. Why this concerned about me? Because I am as an instructor, I will be having students under me which will work for researchers in the future. Researchers will give so many innovations, even implementations and products also. So among all those protection or among all those innovations, if some of them needs intellectual property right, I should aware that thing for my students, for my colleagues and for the entire society, and they should get that legal protection for their future benefits and their famousness, including that trading and businesses also. In addition to this, if a person is watching this movie, just make sure that you are able to become a member of this thing easily. And this is the issue of international issue, because these innovation ideas can be implemented and all innovative products can be sold entire the world. Actually, this awareness creation campaign and the property is also given by international organization which is called WIPO, short form, and World Intellectual Property Right Organization. And it is also delivering courses. You can attend those courses. Among them, WIPO DL 1.01 is the free online course, which will give you a certificate after successful completion of it. So you can attend it and you can get so many things about WIPO. WIPO will give intellectual property legal protection for trademarkers, for patents, for any innovative ideas and geographical indications for each locality. You can search, there are so many videos, you can search on the introduction part of IPR in those websites.